Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore Moscow, the heart of Russia, where history, art, and culture come together in a vibrant mosaic? Picture an urban landscape where time-honored traditions and cutting-edge modernity walk hand in hand. That's Moscow for you, Russia's pulsating capital city. Moscow is a city of contrasts. Here, the past and the present don't just coexist, they thrive together, creating a unique blend of the old and the new. Majestic imperial buildings stand proud next to towering skyscrapers. Ancient traditions find a home amidst modern lifestyle. And this eclectic mix is what makes Moscow so fascinating. In the upcoming minutes, we will embark on an exploration of the top 10 must-visit places in this dynamic city. From historic landmarks to artistic treasures, from breathtaking views to bustling markets, we will take you on a journey through the heart of Russia. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey through the streets of Moscow. No trip to Moscow is complete without a visit to the iconic Red Square. This expansive space, saturated with history, is a testament to Russia's past, present, and future. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Red Square has been a silent witness to the rise and fall of empires, revolutions, and the birth of a new nation. For centuries, it's been a bustling marketplace, a stage for public ceremonies, and a site for political events. It's the heart of Moscow, pulsating with the rhythm of the city. The square's cobblestone expanse is flanked by landmarks that chronicle Russia's rich history. From the majestic St. Basil's Cathedral to the imposing walls of the Kremlin and the elegant contours of the gum department store. The Red Square is a testament to human resilience, a symbol of national pride, and an embodiment of cultural diversity. It's a place where every brick tells a story, every corner whispers a secret. The Red Square truly is the beating heart of Moscow's historic center. Right next to the Red Square, we find the Majestic Kremlin. This awe-inspiring fortress with its red brick walls and golden domes is a sight to behold. The Kremlin is not just an architectural marvel, it also serves as the political heart of Russia, housing the Russian president's official residence and the offices of the government. But the grandeur of the Kremlin isn't confined to its contemporary political role. It's a treasure trove of Russian history, with roots stretching back to the 12th century. Within its walls you'll find ancient cathedrals, opulent palaces, and museums filled with priceless artifacts. Each corner of the Kremlin tells a story, weaving a rich tapestry of Russia's past, from the era of czars to the Soviet Union and beyond. The Kremlin is more than a monument, it's a living testament to Russia's resilience and evolution. The Kremlin is a symbol of Russia's political power and fascinating history. Art lovers, you're in for a treat at the Tretyakov Gallery. This gem in the heart of Moscow is home to an impressive array of Russian art that spans centuries. From ancient icons that whisper tales of the old world, to modern pieces that boldly declare Russia's place in the contemporary art scene, the Tretyakov Gallery is an artistic journey through time. Every room within its grand halls is a treasure chest, each piece a narrative of Russia's rich cultural tapestry. Here you'll find the mesmerizing works of Russia's artistic titans, Repin, Shishkin, Vaznetsov, their artistry immortalized within these very walls. But the gallery isn't just a sanctuary for the classics, it's also a vibrant platform for emerging artists, nurturing the future of Russian art. The gallery's commitment to preserving the past and fostering the future makes it a unique and essential destination. The Tretyakov Gallery is truly a treasure trove of Russian art. Get ready to be dazzled by the spectacular Bolshoi Theater. This grand architectural masterpiece is more than just a venue. It's a living testament to Russia's deep-rooted love for the performing arts. Born in the early 19th century, the Bolshoi Theater has witnessed the ebb and flow of Russian history. It has stood through wars, revolutions, and regime changes, yet its grandeur remains unscathed. With its six-tiered auditorium, it's one of the world's largest theaters, a beacon of culture and refinement. Here, world-class ballet and opera performances come alive, captivating audiences with their enchanting narratives and mesmerizing choreography. Stepping into the Bolshoi Theater is like stepping into a time capsule. Its opulent interiors, adorned with gold leaf and plush crimson velvet, whisper tales of a bygone era. From Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake to Prokofiev's Romeo and Juliet, the Bolshoi Theater has been home to some of the most iconic performances in history. The Bolshoi Theater is a testament to Russia's love for the performing arts. Escape the city's bustle and take in panoramic views from Sparrow Hills. Often referred to as the lungs of the city, Sparrow Hills or Vorobyovi Gory is a verdant oasis amidst Moscow's bustling metropolis. It's a place where the city's energetic pulse gives way to the calming rhythm of nature. Here the air is crisper, the city's noise becomes a distant hum, and the views, they're simply breathtaking. From atop these hills, Moscow unfolds before your eyes in a sprawling panorama of architectural splendor that seems to stretch into infinity. It's a popular spot among locals and tourists alike, offering a tranquil retreat and a unique perspective on the city. Whether it's a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or a reflective moment alone, Sparrow Hills is a place where you can simply be. It's a testament to Moscow's multifaceted charm, where nature and urban life coexist in harmony. Sparrow Hills offers a tranquil retreat from the energetic pulse of Moscow. Now let's step into the future at Moscow City. This bustling business district is a testament to the city's rapid growth and development. Towering skyscrapers stretch towards the sky, their gleaming glass facades reflecting the energy and ambition of modern Moscow. Each uniquely designed building is an architectural masterpiece, displaying the creative prowess of the city's talented architects. Moscow City is more than just a hub for business and finance. It's a place where innovation meets tradition, where the pulse of the city's vibrant tech scene beats strong. Startups bloom amidst the steel and glass, their ideas pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Yet, despite its futuristic appeal, Moscow City remains rooted in the city's rich cultural heritage. Traditional Russian restaurants and shops intermingle with sleek office spaces, providing a unique blend of old and new. From the top of these skyscrapers you can see the entire city, a sweeping view that embodies Moscow's dynamic spirit. Moscow City shows us the modern, dynamic side of Russia's capital. For a day of fun and relaxation, Gorky Park is the place to be. This sprawling oasis in the heart of Moscow is more than just a park. It's a vibrant social hub where locals and tourists alike come to unwind, play, and explore. From the serene boat rides on the park's lake to the adrenaline-pumping roller coasters, there's something for everyone. Art enthusiasts will love the Garage Museum of Contemporary Art, a cutting-edge institution that showcases the best of global contemporary art. Foodies aren't left out either, with a plethora of eateries and food stalls serving everything from traditional Russian fare to international cuisine. For those into fitness, the park offers a myriad of activities, including yoga classes, bike rentals, and even beach volleyball during the summer months. A melting pot of culture, entertainment, and relaxation, Gorky Park is the city's beating heart, always buzzing with energy and life. Gorky Park is a thrilling testament to Moscow's lively spirit. Experience Moscow from a different perspective on a scenic river cruise. As you glide along the Moscow River, the city unfurls before your eyes, revealing a unique blend of modernity and tradition. To your left, the towering skyscrapers of Moscow City rise, symbols of Russia's technological prowess. To your right, the golden domes of the Cathedral of Christ the Savior shimmer in the sunlight, reflecting centuries of religious devotion. Feel the cool breeze on your face as you pass under the historic Novo-Andreevsky Bridge, and marvel at the grandeur of the Peter the Great statue standing tall against the city skyline. The cruise offers a tranquil respite from the bustling city streets, the rhythmic lull of the river, a soothing soundtrack to your journey. As night falls, watch as the city transforms, the cityscape illuminated by 1,000 twinkling lights. A Moscow River cruise is a must for a different view of this fascinating city. These are just a glimpse of what Moscow has to offer. Our journey today has taken us through the heart of Russia's dynamic capital city. We've witnessed the grandeur of the historic Red Square, stood in awe before the majestic Kremlin, and immersed ourselves in the artistic treasures of the Tretyakov Gallery. The spectacular Bolshoi Theater has captivated us with its rich cultural heritage, while the tranquil Sparrow Hills have offered us panoramic views like no other. We've embraced modernity in Moscow City and experienced the thrill of Gorky Park. And who could forget the scenic beauty of our Moscow River cruise? Each location is a testament to the city's unique blend of tradition and modernity, where East meets West in a captivating cultural mosaic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.